for South Central Talladega County, Northeastern Coosa County, Southwestern Clay County, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Parkdale, or near Stewartville, moving north at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sylacauga, Goodwater, Stewartville, Sycamore, Parkdale, Hatchet, Overbrook, Hollands, Roselle, and Manyan. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Coosa, Alabama,